This Taj English Academy, I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj F. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, come closer, let's sit together and listen to me carefully. This is the phonetics lecture and you have to be very careful, more than watching your ears. Lend me your ears. So, keep your eyes open and let me start. In my previous lecture, I said that one for singular and plural, the sounds become sa, za, is. I already told you about that. And today, I want to tell you something about the letter W. What is the W sound? W-H-A-T. What? Cancel it. Don't say what. What is your name? What is? The worst sound I could hear is in W, most of us. I have seen the people all around saying, what. This is not wa. This is wow. W is wow. Not wow. Wow. W. Let's say how to say that one. W-H-A-T. What? And what is your name? How will you say it now? What's your name? What's your name? What? What's? Not words. What's? I told you in the last class that S can be Z sound, but here it is S sound. What's your name? So what and S becomes S. What is becomes what. And you have to say your mouth, what? Where? Where is my pen? Where? W. Where? W. Where is my pen? Who is that man? Who is that? Who? When, not when. Whenever. When did you come? When did you come? I want. So say want. What about W-A-T-E-R? Say it. Water. It is water. Wa. W is water. I want water, please. I want some water, please. Water. Some people say water. Ra is not there. Water. Ra is dropped. The sound ra, fricative is dropped. Water. What about doctor? Doctor. What about T-E-A-C-H-E-R? Teacher. Oh, she is my teacher. Very bad English. She is my teacher. Very bad English. Laugh. Let's laugh on this, what everyone speaks all around us. She is my teacher. No, don't say that. Teacher. Ta sound. H. Teacher. Not r. It is fricative half in American and British, no R. Teacher is British. Teacher, American. Teacher, American. Teacher, without R sound, British. Sister, British. Brother, father, mother, sister, without R sound, British. American. Sister, doctor, brother, sister, mother, not mother, no r, mother. Well, that's all for today. And let's sit together and learn word by word, small sentences and everything slowly. But you have to send your nominations. In the comment box, you have to just type down your name. That's enough. And I will write it down in your comment box, and all your phones or whatever it may be, you do that and you will be enrolled, because very soon I'm going to close down these lectures for the open ones, and I will only send the lessons to the ones who do nominations now and who send the nominations. Be in touch and send all these nominations of your friends. Tell them to do so on Taj English Academy. Thank you very much.